Architecture doesn't fight nature, it finds harmony.
Every board is, and to protect.
A waterfall. Nature already did the hard part.
This is perfect. A room already exists.
The heartwood is gone, but the outer trunk is solid. It's like natural architecture. 6 feet wide, 12 feet tall, entrance facing waterfall. I'll make this a sanctuary.
Only taking what nature offers. No cutting living trees.
Everything has to go up 10 feet, one piece at a time. First delivery successful. The floor needs to be level inside a living tree.
The tree's texture holds everything.
Every board is custom fit. The tree determines the shape.
£200 supported. Waffle and tremble. Entirely by friction and gravity.
A double wall for insulation and to protect the living tree. Wattle and Daub, a 5,000-year-old method. Earth plaster, breathable, natural, perfect.
Every wall tells a story. Handprints in the clay connect me to ancient builders.
$300-year-old technology. Still works perfectly.
Pine pitch. Feeding the wood, lawn sweat, protecting it naturally.
The secret room is complete. A sanctuary inside a living tree.
Day 15. Time to make this truly home. Comfort isn't luxury, it's necessary for the soul.
Comfort isn't luxury, it's necessary for the soul. Beauty from the forest, brought inside. The tree dictates the design. I just follow. Knowledge and stories. Essential supplies.
Day 20, in the tree sanctuary.
Documenting this. So others might build their own sanctuaries.
Hours pass like minutes here.
The waterfall is my white noise machine, the tree my protector, this hollow my home. I could live here forever.
The waterfall is my white noise machine, the tree my protector.
A secret in the forest.
A light in the tree.
Not just a room in a tree. A philosophy made physical.
Building this taught me, the best architecture doesn't fight nature, it finds harmony. The strongest walls aren't concrete. 30 days living inside this tree. I've learned more about myself than in years of normal life.